When he came to us, he didn't just bring a hair problem. He brought fear, doubt, and hope, all in just one glance. Here's what happened. As a surgeon, some transformations you remember all the time. This was one of those. Let me walk you through it today. I remember his first consultation very clearly. His eyes weren't just asking for hair, they were asking for hope. And I'm happy we could deliver both. The result you will see for him is in just 7 months. Today we'll be showing you what he was at the day of surgery and 7 months after surgery. Also a few in-between pictures. So stay with me. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you want real science-packed knowledge and true guidance. He was a guy of 27 years of age, an IT professional, losing his hair in the front. Thinning was gradual, but he had already lost his hairline when he came to us. We could see on trichoscopy that he had good hair at the back, at the donor side, but he had lost a significant number of hair in the hairline, front, and also on the top. So when he wanted to know how he would look after hair transplant before undergoing surgery, we asked him to take help of our very own PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. There are just 3 simple steps. You download the Saraswat Hospital App, you click on the PeekAI feature, take a quick questionnaire, and then upload your front view and top view. In just 24 to 48 hours, you will receive your pictures back showing the approximate view how you would look after your hair transplant surgery. And also we will give you approximate number of grafts that would be required by you in your hair transplant. He was Norwood grade 4, and as you can see in the trichoscopy report, the donor area were good. The density we gave for the front area was 40 grafts per centimeter square, and towards the top it was 32 grafts per centimeter square, since some hair he already had at that region. If you want to tell us your hair grade, you can write in the comment section below, or if you want to ask any question, you can put it in the comment box below. So the total number of grafts which were required by him were around 3400 grafts. You can see a detailed report on your screen now. If you want to take our help in your hair transplant or you want a consultation, you can send your pictures on the numbers below. You can now see on your screen his pictures at the day of surgery, in 3 months after surgery, 7 months after surgery. At 7 months, you can even see a combing video, and you can very well appreciate that the donor side looks very healthy and the recipient side looks excellent. Please share this video with someone who needs hope. If you want to know the cost of 3000 grafts, you can click the link on the right.